Welcome to Wise, your all-in-one tutor management platform for one-on-one and group sessions. In this video, we'll show you how to configure notifications inside Wise so you stay in complete control of your communication. Go to Settings from the left navigation. Click on Manage Notifications. This is your central control panel for all platform notifications. At the top, under Enable Email or WhatsApp, you'll see two main toggles: WhatsApp notifications and email notifications. If they're turned off, no notifications will be sent, regardless of the individual settings below. Next, tap on Edit under User Notifications. This opens the Detailed Notification Settings panel. Inside this panel, notifications are grouped by user roles, making it easy to understand what gets sent and to whom. If you don't want a specific notification sent, simply tap to disable it. Changes apply instantly. That's it. With Wise, it's simple to manage notifications, and it's built for growing tutoring businesses.